Ricky here. You might wonder why am I over here flexing like I am. The reason I'm flexing like this is because I want to show you how far ahead I am on my clips. So look at this. This is my last one so far that I made from, so that's January, right? Let me show you how many clips I have to upload. Look at this, going. We got, now that's still in December we're at, and we're coming all the way down through December. Look at all these clips I have here. Coming, and we're looking all the way for November. What is it? I'm looking for November 20th, right? So we're coming all the way to November 20th, and the video is called Crazy. So from here, from November 22nd, all the way up to here. That's how many videos I have uploaded. And I still have 40 more I'm gonna make. So if you need any help with this, I will link the 2 videos at the end of this that helped me go from 0 clips to, oh my God, I have so many clips I can't even ever finish it. Remember, I believe in you, and the dream's not over. We got this.
Thank you for watching. Here's some videos you may want to check out. Remember, those who care about you accept you for who you are, and those who don't need to be in your life. Till next time, Duck Love Flex. Keep bringing the sunshine.